Hi dear aspirants, welcome to Eduflare Academy. In today's session we discuss about our CTET examination. We all are confused why CBSE did not conduct the CTET examination. We know that CBSE conduct CTET examination in every June and December. There are two cycles of this examination, but in this year there is no updation about the CTET exam in 2025 June cycle. So we look the main reason behind this and why the June 2025 cycle not happens. So most of us confused about this matter, and most of the students are asked lots of questions related to our examination. So anyway, we know that CBSE did not conduct the CTET exam in the June 2025, but we can accept the next CTET to be held in December 2025. So which means the official notification is expected to be released soon. So this is the right time to stay focused on your preparation. Don't wait for the notification to begin your studies. Okay, that's the important thing, and make these extra times to strengthen your concepts and do more PYQs. Okay. So what is the reason? What is the main reason for the delaying in this examination? So the first thing is, I'm already told you the official notification is expected to be released soon, or next month, November or October. So one of the major reason for the delay of the CTET June 2025 exam is that CBSE is shifting the exam process fully to its in-house system. Okay, so there are CBSE is engaged with in-house examination, which means CBSE do not assign the examination duty to outside agencies such NTA or other official agencies, which means the all examinations are managed by CBSE. So due to this reason there is also delay happens. We know that in the case of CTET is conducted by the Department of Education of Kerala. If there is SSLC examinations and other board examination, we already we face that CTET examination will delay due to that reason. The same thing happens. CBSE is very busy with dealing with other exams, so that is the main reason behind to the delay of the CTET examination. That is the first reason. And most of the aspirants thinks that CBSE change its pattern, syllabus and structure, everything. Actually this is a true thing, because CBSE as per the new education policy 2020, CBSE planning to shift their examination pattern and structure, but it not implemented immediately. Okay, so we can expect the changes after 1 or 2 years, not it take place immediately. That's the first thing. So the one of the main thing is the CBSE planning to conduct a new CTET exam for standard 9 to standard +2. Okay, that is category 4. So that is CBSE planning to expand CTET beyond the existing two categories, paper 1 for, we know that paper 1 for classes 1 to 5 and paper 2 for classes 6 to 8. So there is chance to conduct a new exam for class 9 to 12. A new category 4 is under consideration for teachers of classes 9 to 12. So why category 4? There is also, and they restructure the category for Balwadiga and primary session. So then it become category 1, and category 2, category 3 become classes 6 to 8, and new category 4, that is from class 9 to 12. Okay, so we get the information after they changes the pattern and structure. It will likely take time for CTET category 4 to be fully implemented rather than happening immediately. That I told you, it didn't take place immediately. Okay, so we can definitely expect the CTET examination in 2025 December cycle. So it will be a merged cycle, June cycle and a December cycle conducted. in the December month. Okay, so this is actually the main reason behind the delay of our examination. And also, as per the NEP, there is some changes also take place. Syllabus may be changed for after 1 year, and the pattern changed for after 1 year. And the another important point is that we know that the Supreme Court decided that TET is compulsory for the post of teaching. The same thing applicable to CTET also, and also in CBSE schools. In after 1 or 2 years, CTET is become a compulsory for the appointment of teachers in CBSE schools. Now we know that especially in private and CBSE school, CTET is not compulsory, just B.Ed is enough. But gradually CBSE implement this CTET is compulsory for appointment of CBSE school. That means private schools. And also we know that in schools managed on and managed by central government or schools under central government, the CTET is mandatory for the post of teaching, especially to appearing central level teaching exams such as Ekalavya Model Residential Schools exam, KV's exam, Navodaya's exam. CTET is very important, or it is mandatory thing. Okay, so these are the some new changes that take place in our this examination structure and examination pattern. So be alert and be ready to write the exam with confidently. And also we know that CTET is different from our state TET exam because it is a central level exam, so the questions and the patterns are highly tougher than our state level TET exam. So we need to study based on the toughness of our exam. So I wish you all the best for everyone. Don't stop your learning. And also I told you, don't wait for the notification, and you definitely use this extra time to strengthen your knowledge. Okay, thank you.